Welcome to qnawire.
Hello. Here we have to answer a couple of questions about the rock climber. Unfortunately, there was no picture attached, so I presume it looks similar to this one. If not, please correct me and upload and submit this question again. But nevertheless, let's solve it. So the climber is at the middle between two rocks, and the angle between the horizontal line and the rope is alpha. So first we have to calculate the reaction of the rope. Let's show the forces which act in the system. First is the gravity which acts on a climber, and the gravity is compensated by two reactions of the rope. Let's introduce the y-axis, which is directed upwards. So therefore, gravity will have a negative sign when projected on y-axis, and reaction of the rope will have positive sign. So let's answer question A, and let's write down the second Newton's law for the climbers. So the reaction of the rope plus gravity equals to 0 because the climber is at equilibrium. So with respect to the y-axis, 2ty equals to m multiplied by g because there are two reaction forces. Ty equals to t multiplied by cosine of 90° minus alpha, which equals to t multiplied by sine alpha. Therefore, 2t multiplied by sine alpha equals to mass multiplied by g. So then t equals to mass multiplied by g divided by 2 sine alpha. So let's do the calculation. Mass of the climber is 90 kilograms, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 90 kilograms multiplied by 10 meters per second square and divided by 2 sine of 10 degree. So it equals to 2,591 Newton. And if we take into account the number of decimal places, so we need 3 decimals, it roughly equals to 2.59 multiplied by 1000 newtons. So, and yeah, this calculation was done when if j equals 10. So if g equals to 9.8 meters per second square, t equals to 2.54 multiplied by 10 power by 3 newtons. So I think both answers are correct because it's just the effect of rounding of g. So secondly, we have to calculate the minimum theta. So, and let's recall the previous equation. So 2t multiplied by sine theta minimum, because here theta minimum is just this angle, equals, so this guy, 2t multiplied by sine theta minimum equals to mg. Therefore, theta minimum equals to mg multiplied by 2t. So as we see, theta is minimum when t is maximum. So therefore, now we can calculate theta. Basically, theta minimum equals to a sine of mg multiplied by 2t maximum. So let's complete this calculation. It equals to S sine. And again, I'll calculate for two values of G. Both answers will be correct to my understanding. So this guy equals to 1.03 degree. And again, if we take G equals to 9.8 meters per second square, at minimum theta equals to 1.01 degree. So both answers are correct. I hope I helped you. Thank you very much. Bye.